ये इंडस्ट्री ना बहुत क्लटर्ड है. It is very easy to feel like you're just another brick in the wall. We realized we will have to use brighter colors to, drive people's attention. तो
राइट.
वो आउटसाइड से हम जितने लाउड हैं, इनसाइड में हम उतने ही सटल हैं.
सबसे पहला वेंचर जब भी किसी को पुट अप करना होता है, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी अ कैफे और अ रेस्टोरेंट.
मतलब अगर वहाँ पे द कैफे ओनर इज देयर, वो पक्का सस्पिशियस हो गया होगा कि ये क्या कर रहे हैं.
उल्टी कर देते, इतना खा लिया था, मुझे खाने से चिढ़ मच गई थी.
एनीथिंग न्यू इन भोपाल, वो 3 महीने उसकी हाइप रहती है एंड देन इट डाइज. एंड वी यूज्ड टू कैलकुलेट कि हमारे 3 महीने कब खत्म हो गए.
व्हेन वाज पॉपिन स्टार्टेड?
पॉपिन.
पॉपिन, राइट. Since the start, कोई ना कोई different kind of event is happening in Poppin.
Yes.
And I think Tanvi should help us know more about it.
सो बेसिकली इवेंट्स का क्यूरेशन बहुत मैटर करते हैं, क्योंकि हम वो एक्सपीरियंस देना चाहते थे भोपाल में जो पहले किसी ने एक्सपीरियंस किया नहीं है. तो सब ने मदद करी क्यूरेट के लिए
Of
इवेंट्स.
course, of course.
और फर्स्ट हम लोग ने लिसनिंग सेशन क्यूरेट किया. लिसनिंग सेशन में बेसिकली वो आर्टिस्ट कौन है, उस एल्बम के पीछे उसका आइडिया क्या था, हर एक ट्रैक के बारे में, उसका प्रोडक्शन वाइज, सिंथ वाइज क्या क्या आइडिया रहा था, उस पर डिस्कशन होता है.
Great.
काफ़ी इन्फॉर्मेटिव एंड अच्छा टर्न आउट था. काफ़ी अच्छा टर्न आउट था.
फॉर समथिंग न्यू.
हाँ, आई मीन
And I think since then, abhi tak, there are very different things happening. Poppin is providing platform to various artists in the city.
टैटू गिग वाज अगेन तन्मेश's आइडिया. एंड मैं रोज़ तन्मेश को ये पूछ रहा था कि भाई टर्न अप होगा, टर्न
लोग
अप
आएंगे
होगा.
क्योंकि जस्ट इमेजिन फ्रॉम, मतलब अगेन आई हैव नो टैटूज.
सेम.
मेरे को
हाँ.
बहुत ऐसा शुरू से रहा है टैटूज का. बट आई लाइक समवन इज कमिंग इन फॉर अ 1 square inch टैटू, ही इज़ नॉट बीइंग चार्ज्ड एनीथिंग, बट वो भरोसा कर रहा है उस टैटू आर्टिस्ट पर. वो परमानेंट टैटू है, वो जाने नहीं वाला कहीं. एंड
बड़ी बात है.
बिफोर इवन वी केम दैट डे, वो आर्टिस्ट, उसकी पूरी टीम, तन्मेश, एवरीवन वाज हियर. एंड द लिस्ट, द जो वेट लिस्ट थी, दैट वाज फुल इन एन आवर.
Wow.
पूरे दिन की.
Hour is a big time frame. I mean, we had people coming in before the artist. Right. And we were just
क्यों मंच होगा.
imagine it's such a radical idea that आज सुबह उठ के मैं कैफे जाऊंगा एक टैटू बनवाने. भाई मतलब my mother was excited about it that because then we realized क्योंकि क्या एक friction बहुत है. My mother doesn't want to, a lot of people don't want to go to a studio that is very this thing, but they would, the friction of going to a cafe and getting that tattoo.
Big deal, big deal.
Then a lot of other events like Lemonade Party was another one of the event that we hosted. That it was just lemonade, cool DJs, and we have so cool device, customized sneakers. Then it was just a very summer launch party where we wanted to launch our summer menu. So we did a lemonade party. Cool DJs, very good sets. Then usse I think Tanmesh then formed an idea about let's do this IP on every Sunday, where we had from every Sunday 6 to 8 p.m. we had a live DJ coming in and playing here and in a cafe. Now, even that is so radical that you're going to a cafe for coffee and there's a DJ playing for those 2 hours.
And I think we should mention the DJ as well.
Yeah.
शायद आप DJ भी वही बुलाते हैं जो artist from भोपाल हैं, and not people
वही अगेन
who are renowned.
तक नहीं मिला है वो सेट्स.
Absolutely.
तो उनके लिए एक प्लेटफॉर्म भी क्रिएट किया है कि आप आओ अपना सेट प्ले कर सकते हो यहाँ पे.
Great.
And that DJ also, she's very young. She's a young DJ, and now that DJ, so she had never received any money for her art, right, till the time we we got her in. And I think the day Tanmesh gave her that first amount, the gig amount, she had tears in her eyes. She called her mother and told her that I'll take you somewhere today. And that
I mean that very, yeah, I can relate to it. जब when we used to intern somewhere, or the first paycheck that you get was nothing
Very
can match.
special.
Yeah, very very special.
you're the richest that day. So then we thought of, Pop in Sesh as a, imagine your regular cafe getting turned into a nightclub for a day on a Saturday. So then that idea, very radical, very just out of curiosity, people came ki, "Oh, how will it be?" And people had a blast. We just had our third Pop-in Sesh, a successful one, and we're also working on creating an IP for Pop-in Sesh, which will go from not just limit to this cafe, but will go on from to other cafes also. So then unbundling all the IPs like this, advertising in restaurant is an IP that we want to take further. Pop-in Sesh is an IP we want to take further. Sauce is an IP that we want to unbundle. So there are a lot of revenue streams that we're opening up for our business also, in terms of revenue and in terms of marketing and in terms of all the other scalability concepts.
I think I missed it out in between. Why भोपाल? मतलब भोपाल ही क्यों? But to start in a city जहाँ पे we ideally do not know how it is going to work.
I mean, it's a two-way street if you think about it. One is the kind of opportunity that is present, a gap that is present.
Right.
We, because again we have the privilege of being from this city. हमने बचपन से देखा है how this city has grown, what kind of potential it has now had, especially because MP में there are still clusters हैं अभी भी, and Bhopal is again one big cluster. उसमें the kind of opportunity and the gap that is present for something like a Pop-in to come and fill that gap, something for our target audience, वो opportunity भी थी. On the other hand, वो एक cushion and that comfort भी है कि this is our hometown. We have grown up here, we know the place, we know the people, we know what people like, what people dislike. तो it is a give and take of that. कि एक opportunity भी है जो हम fill कर सकते हैं, but also we know people around, we know everything, and therefore that cushion is also there.
I mean, the cost of failure is low.
कॉस्ट ऑफ फेलियर काफ़ी कम है, एब्सोल्युटली राइट. क्योंकि हम बॉम्बे जाते थे इन व्हेनेवर वी यूज्ड टू इन आवर कॉलेज डेज कम बैक हियर. अब वहाँ पे एक सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ लाइफ है विच इज़ नॉट प्रेजेंट हियर. तो वो 5-7 दिन के लिए यू माइट फील अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ कि यार ये गैप अभी भी क्यों एग्जिस्ट करता है. इफ टी एफ नो वन इज फिलिंग इट, देयर इज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, देयर इज मनी टू बी अर्नड हियर एंड वील फिल इट. मतलब नो इश्यूज देयर.
और यार मतलब वाई नॉट भोपाल
Yeah.
इज माई क्वेश्चन. क्यों नहीं, मतलब आप वाई आर यू ब्रिंगिंग फ्रेंचाइजीज टू दिस सिटी व्हेन वी हैव सो मच टू ऑफर एंड वी कैन, मतलब आप फ्रेंचाइजीज का इनलेट एक्सेप्ट कर सकते हो, फ्रेंचाइजिंग आउट एक्सेप्ट, मतलब इट्स, आई डोंट थिंक भोपाल से अभी तक कोई ऐसी बहुत अच्छी फ्रेंचाइजी निकल के नहीं आई है which can go out. There are places from, मतलब brands from Jaipur coming in and setting up in Bhopal, and people are very कि यार जयपुर का ब्रांड है, यार जयपुर ही तो है, मतलब भोपाल भी तो ऐसे ही, मतलब वो
एंड ऐसा नहीं कि ब्रांड्स की कमी नहीं है, मतलब ब्रांड्स की कमी ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. देयर आर ब्रांड्स हियर व्हिच इफ दे डू, हाँ, दे हैव द पोटेंशियल कि वो अक्रॉस इंडिया दे कैन स्केल. एब्सोल्युटली. आई मीन देयर आर सम ब्रांड्स दैट वी लव जो भोपाल में प्रेजेंट है, बट अभी तक समहाउ वो फ्रूइशन उस चीज़ का हुआ नहीं है, which we are absolutely aiming at. कि we want to be that brand that scales out of Bhopal across India.
वही रैप भोपाल भाई,
मतलब we're all for it, absolutely.
Amazing. Great to know about it. And I think I wish to know more about the vision जो हम पॉपिन के साथ लेके चलते हैं. Like जैसा कि अभी हमारा डिस्कशन हुआ कि we wish to move out as well.
Right.
So we knew we wanted to start from Bhopal, but we did not want to limit to Bhopal. That was the core thesis that we built this on, that we're starting from Bhopal, but we're not limiting ourselves to Bhopal. We have a lot of franchisee inquiries from a lot of other cities like Indore. We have one from Raipur. We have one from Jabalpur. We have one from even Lucknow. So we're now aiming, now we are converging towards scaling. We have a proof of concept now. Now we are looking for proof of scale. And once we're establishing proof of scale, and once we establish proof of scale, there is upwards and onwards from there. And
I think the vision is to become, a house of brands. As we mentioned, there is unbundling different IPs and becoming, having that brand just continue on its own journey and let it find its own way. Be it Sauce, be it Poppin Sesh, Poppin. There are a lot of brands in the pipeline as well with different products. So the idea is to become a house of brand and scale across the country. We did not start, as you mentioned, we started from Bhopal, but not with the idea to be limited here, and we just did not want to be, a place जहाँ पे हम तीनों आए, हम बैठे. We did not build this for us. We have the reason हमने इतना सारा R&D किया, इतना सारा process establish किया is so that we can take this ahead and make this into something bigger, not just limited to Bhopal.
We're not settling unless we have at least 100 stores. That's our aim.
ये पॉडकास्ट 5 साल बाद लोग सब
I love the spirit.
नहीं बट हाँ वही है हाउस ऑफ ब्रांड अनबंडलिंग बहुत है मतलब देर हैज अभी भी बहुत अनबंडलिंग है जो डिफरेंट सेट्स ऑफ हाउस ऑफ ब्रांड्स में कन्वर्ट हो आवर फ्यूचर प्रोस्पेक्ट इज टू बिकम अ हाउस ऑफ ब्रांड एंड नो वन इन दिस इंडस्ट्री हैज बिकम successful or has gone on to creating the amount of wealth that we are on the road of by just creating one brand. One is your flagship brand, and then you go on to creating other sub brands or other house of brands. Now, the idea of creating Poppin was that this becomes a testing ground to create other small brands as well. So we now have first we did not have data. So now we set up Poppin to create that data. We created that data. Now we're taking decisions based on those data. Like we created our a new delivery only brand called Sauce.
Because pizza as a category, we realized is something that is, that has transcended across various age groups. It's very shareable. Everyone can have pizza very easily. They're not very fussy about it. I mean, veg and non-veg is a very different kind of debate, but everyone likes pizza. And that was what our data also suggested. That is the highest selling category, bestseller, and then across various, months that we've had, there has not been a single month where pizza as a category has seen a downfall. It has only gone up and up. And I mean, based on again, we've tried a lot of things, changing the sauce, cheese, bread, everything. But even after that, people have responded quite positively to our pizzas. So we decided why not this be our first category that we'll unbundle and create it as its own brand.
Separate.
And Sauce again, very, the name. The theory behind everything will remain the same as it has been with Poppin. The ethos, how we are, some sort of projections will come on that brand, and therefore Sauce again, that orange color popping, you can see the packaging and I mean it's very out loud, very out there where as we are. So that is what we are trying to do. Now we'll test it out, see how it works in delivery, and if it works well, then we'll start setting up small stores to expand our delivery across the city, because pizza you can only deliver it to a certain kilometer radius, but if we want to cover the entire city, then we'll start setting up small shops.
Small shops.
So we'll unbundle different categories. We'll create a Mexican category brand, we'll create a burger category brand, we'll create a coffee category, and see what works. I mean, we are out there to experiment, and this is our ground for experimenting. Whatever wacky idea that we come up with, we just throw it out as a product.
Yeah.
If it works, the audience, the customer, they tell us, the data tells us, and we're like, fine, this is what people want, and we are willing to give it to them.
Coming to the staff, I think मैं जब से Poppin आई हूँ, I have seen the staff is very friendly and everybody is nice here. So आप मुझे qualification के बारे में बताना चाहेंगे? If there is anybody out there who wishes to connect regarding this.
टेक्निकली तो मतलब टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट्स तो बहुत हैं बट आई थिंक कल्चर प्लेज अ बिग पार्ट वी आर मोर फॉर कल्चर देन वी आर फॉर टेक्निकल सब सिखा देते हैं टेक्निकल आप महीना भर लोगे सीख जाओगे बट इफ़ यू कांट if you can't fit in the culture, we have had a lot of people who we had to let go because of the cultural issues more.
Communication channels are open. We don't, I mean, it's not just one way communication. When we were planning the entire thing, this was, I think, one of the key areas that we discussed on how to build that sort of environment wherein people, feel that they're working towards one goal. I mean, the three of us are aligned, but the team in its entirety should also be aligned in working towards our vision, and they should feel it as if it's their vision that they're working towards. So we do a lot of back and forth, wherein reviews happen. It's not just us telling them what we expect from them, but them also telling us what they expect from us in terms of, everything. They can discuss their family issues, everything. So we try to create that kind of culture and environment wherein it becomes a little easy for people to talk across hierarchies and across their area of expertise, because it's a very human resource led industry. There's a lot of touch points wherein you interact with people, and it cannot just come from training, because again, this industry has a downside of, there's a lot of churning that happens among human resources. To retain people is a very big challenge, and that cannot just happen via,
Clearly.
let's say, five salaries or something like that. You have to build on top of that to kind of give them that, they should also have some sort of feeling when they come into work. Yeah.
Because
I mean,
even we have seen that people come to a restaurant because of a certain dish or a certain person who makes a certain dish.
the problem with this industry and with food is that you have to be right every time you have to. I mean, you're not just, we don't have to be right for the first time, we have to be right for your second visit, we have to be right for your third visit, we have to be right for throughout the visits. And I mean, we have also had incidents where the staff, the team, now the you've started calling them staff.
I'm really
The team, one of the team member has come to us that I was offered this much this much money, or I was offered this much salary, which is a little more than what you're offering, but I am here, I am not asking for an increment, I really like working here, that's why I'm staying here. We have a lot of people in the team who are going to college, and they're coming part time, like they're coming part time here, or they're just because, and they like it here. It's not, they come I have seen, I look at the watch every time one comes in, and they always come like 10 minutes earlier. They don't dread coming here the whole.
any educational qualification that is required.
I mean, that is across various roles that differs.
Okay.
I mean, for a head chef, we would obviously look for certain technicalities, certain amount of experience.
Okay.
Similarly, for a barista service, but again, that is very varied and divided across.
You look at experience more, and I mean, and also we look at experience more, and then a cultural fit is, so we do not sign them on like within the day. We take a month's time, and we tell them that it's a trial, it's a 3-month probation period.
For both of us, I mean, you also
If
check
you like
if
working
you
here
like
or not.
working here, and we'll also find a fit for you.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay, what according to you is like an achievement so far?
Building out a brand that has lasted.
Concept.
Proof of concept. Oh yeah, right.
We have established Pop and Sesh, and we can take that to other venues also. We can take over different venues, and we can host a Pop and Sesh over there.
And in terms of if technically speaking and very theoretically speaking, we have been EBITDA positive since day one. That is again a big achievement. And from a business point of view, that's a big achievement. We've created a lot more IPs, and we have set out, and also a big achievement that I think tops everything. This space where we're sitting, we have people come here, talk to each other, and now they're building businesses. So that's the biggest.
Yeah, it was
achievement.
just a theory that we have, that if we create a table as big as this, people sitting across, not knowing each other, doing very different things on very different walks of life, as we were,
Exactly.
So this will be that place where people will find each other and then go on to create businesses and ventures, and that theory has proved right.
Yeah.
I mean, we were very proud of that actually.
That's
We
a
don't
big
have any
achievement.
KPI कि वो कितना बन गया क्या, but we know for sure that people have met.
I'll ask for
Connected
some-
here, exactly.
I'll ask for some equity. We have the KPIs.
amazing.
No, but yeah, I mean, that's what more do you want? Yeah, you have culture being built in a city where you lived in. You have, people we've been connecting, and we've connected with people like you as well because of that community. And just that gives us, that gives us a reason to wake up every day and come here again and do what we do every day.
Okay, so I'm sure ये podcast देखने के बाद a lot of people would want to connect with you guys. Would you want to share how do they do that?
सो बेसिकली किसी को भी वर्कशॉप्स कराने हैं या कोई आर्टिस्ट को या कोई प्रोड्यूसर है उसको लिसनिंग सेशन क्यूरेट करना है या कोई डीजे है उसको प्ले करना है तो दे कैन कम टू अस और दे कैन मेल टू अस एट
hello@popindelhi.in. I mean, they can reach out, and anyone who wants to collaborate with us for another set of pop-in sesh. For we are ready to take this. We have the model ready. We have everything ready. We're ready to take this off ground and do it in a location where we want to also see. We want to take that crowd and we want to take our ethos to another place, the whole experience. That, and then anyone who's looking, who's creatively looking to explore or who wants to work with us to understand more about the industry, they're also we're all the more happy, and we would be more than happy to help them grow and help them understand the industry more. They can they can apply for the internships and make
People who are starting out.
people are starting out, they want to understand more about the industry. We would love to help them, and
He wants to get some hands-on experience as an intern or anything. They can reach out to us.
reach out to us. And because this is a great, they can reach out to us. We want to help as many people as we can, because when we were starting out, we realized that there is no such first-hand information. We only got second-hand information. Now there are a lot of podcasts, but those podcasts are about how you reach from 100 to 1000. They're very they are podcasts where they are very now MNCs of F&B businesses. They're not, कोई ऐसा नहीं है जो स्टार्टअप के लिए कर रहा हो, और हाउ शुड यू स्टार्ट.
If you want to learn that journey of 0 to 1, how do you get there?
Yeah.
If there's anyone who requires that,
There
or
were-
just wants to have a conversation regarding that, they can absolutely reach out to us.
Yeah, and there has not been any, क्योंकि हमें भी, when we were starting out, there was no first-hand information. So also we want to thank you, Big Brains with Khushi, for hosting us and for just giving us. And हमारी भी मन में बहुत टाइम से था यार, हमें थोड़ा निकालने की चीज़ है.
My pleasure having you all around. Big brains.
Thank you.
Thank you, Khushi.